Alright, since it's like 11 o'clock at night and nobody is awake for me to just rant to, this is just gonna be a little short video about me explaining to myself trigonometric functions and their graphs and just how to translate them and transform them and just do whatever with them, I guess. So yeah, if you hate math, skip the video. If not, strap in. Okay, I have full confidence that you understand sine equations. It's just the translations. So if you're choosing to use that shortcut of like the horizontal translation, like plus pi or something, or minus pi, plus or minus pi, both the same outcome, and both of them are going to equal negative sine. Same thing. All right, let's say you really wanted to think this over using the unit circle. Let's say you have some angle pi over 6. Now, if you were to add pi to pi over 6, you would get, 7 over 6, because you're going, around the circle. And what would that do to your opposite? That would make it negative with the same value. And let's say you want to go the other way, you want to do minus pi. That would still get you to the same angle. You see what I mean? It's the same. All right, there is one more thing of sine of x plus pi over 2 being the same thing as cosine of x. And I want to make it very clear that, sorry, freaking helicopter is kind of scaring the shit out of me. Anyway, I want to make it very clear that sine of x minus pi over 2 is not cosine of x. In fact, it is negative cosine of x, and I'll explain that. Okay, so let's say you have that same angle as before, the pi over 6, was it? Alright, now, so it has an opposite value of, 1/2. And let's say we do add pi over 2 to it. That would just give us an opposite value of, positive square root 3 over 2. That's kind of odd. How about let's try taking the cosine of pi over 6 now. What do you get with that? You get, the square root 3 over 2. So it's literally the same thing. Alright, one more thing before I go, I guess. It should be kind of obvious by now, but I'm really tired. So for the negative part, why x minus pi over 2 does not equal that, let's think about, like, if you have, if you go backwards and you subtract pi over 2 from pi over 6, you'd end up with, like, negative square root over 3, or square root 3 over 2, which is, the negative version of that. So it is negative cosine. I'm just so tired, I don't want to explain.